Hey guys, my name is Trainman 2000 Gaming, and today, welcome to another unboxing. So today, I got this. It's called a fidget spinner, work, class, home, and it's made in China. So yeah, let's open up this. First thing I'm going to do with my fidget spinner is spin it. So this is like all the rage, everyone loves these things. Quite spinny. Yeah. So that's the green one. Oh, fudge! Oh yeah, I ordered some other ones. I got this one here as well. Like a blade spinner. Alright. How do I open it? Yeah. There you go. This is like... Got like... It's... Looked like a UFO. It's weird. It's green again, because... Why not? But yeah, it's got heavier counterweights on the side and... Next spinner! The next spinner is this one. It looks like the last one, but it's nowhere near the last one, because you touch these, it lights up. Hey, let's try it in the dark. Let's try it in the dark. I don't know where you'd buy the batteries for this, but that's why I barely ever used it. And then the last fidget spinner I have is this one. Just a plain white one, so yeah. Same packaging as the green one. So. I don't know, I might get some more and review them, but yeah. I'll probably do some practicing and learn some tricks, and then I'll show off my sick fidgeting. I'm really bad at this, but I am good at spinning them. I mean, non-family word. If you have gotten up to this point in the video, comment fidget, and can we aim for at least 5 likes? That'd help me out a bunch, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So now